this is Dr. Yolanda Seliga of Healing Point Wellness Center. And if you struggle with seasonal allergies, you may already be experiencing symptoms such as itchy, watery eyes, nasal congestion, a sore throat from postnasal drip, etc. So the World Health Organization states that acupuncture is an effective treatment for seasonal allergies. So therefore, I wanted to share with you 4 pretty major acupressure points that you can use on yourself if you're experiencing seasonal allergies in order to alleviate some of the symptoms. So let's go ahead and get started. The majority of these points are located on the face, so you want to be sure that you're starting off with clean hands. And the first point is Li4 or large intestine 4. So if you are pregnant, then go ahead and skip this point and just focus on the facial acupressure points because Li4 is contraindicated in pregnancy. So to locate this point, all you have to do is squeeze your thumb to your pointer finger, and your muscle here will produce a mound, and you want to just press on the highest point of that mound. And you want to press and hold for 3 minutes, or you can massage in a circular motion for 3 minutes, and you want to do this on both hands. So again, just squeeze your thumb to your pointer finger, locate the very tip of this muscular mound here, and then just press and hold for 3 minutes. So the reason why I love starting seasonal allergy treatments with Li4 is because Li4 is the command point to the face. So what it does is it triggers the body to send all of the energy to the head and the face to kind of help benefit the eyes, the nose, the ears, and the mouth. So Li4 helps decrease inflammation, it helps decrease red swollen eyes, it helps decrease headaches, nasal obstruction, congestion, runny nose, sneezing. Pretty much all of the symptoms that are associated with allergies are helped through using Li4. So this is a great point to start off with. And so the next point that we're going to be doing is on the same channel. So this is large intestine 20 or Li20. So this point is located on both sides of the nose, right here. So what you can do is you can just smile and trace your smile lines up to a pretty significant dip right on both sides of your nose. So my suggestion is when you're palpating this, you can do both sides at the same time and just kind of press down and in. So it should look like this, which looks pretty funny, but it has a really great effect on the nose. This is a principal point for nasal conditions. So it helps reduce inflammation. It helps alleviate maxillary sinus pressure. So if you feel the sinuses in your cheeks, this is a great point to be using. It helps treat nasal polyps and nasal itching. And as a fun fact, the point is named Welcome Fragrance. So it's also a really great point in cases of loss of sense of smell. So you can stimulate these points for about 3 minutes as well, and then move on to yin tongue. So yin tongue we've gone over in previous videos, and it is located right in between your 2 eyebrows. So you can just go ahead and massage in a circular motion for about 3 minutes. So yin tongue also helps benefit the nose, but it also helps drain the frontal sinuses. So this is especially great if you have frontal headaches, which means just a headache across your forehead, or if you feel any heaviness in your head as well. In addition, it is also a calm the spirit point, which means it helps alleviate anxiety and stress, and it's also beneficial for insomnia. So that's just an added bonus of yin tongue. So the last point is UB2 or urinary bladder 2, and it's located at the middle end of your eyebrows. So to locate this point, you can just move straight up from the inner corner of your eye up to your eyebrows, and you should feel a little bit of a cleft here, a little bit of a groove. And so what I like doing is just using the pads of my thumb, just pressing it on both of my eyebrows at the same time, just rubbing in a circular motion for about 3 minutes here. And so UB2 is a great point, again, to open up the nose, alleviate inflammation, again, alleviate sinus pressure in your frontal sinuses, but it's a major point for the eyes. So this is really great if you're experiencing red, itchy, swollen, watery eyes associated with seasonal allergies. So those were the 4 points. You can do them as often as you'd like, but I suggest at least doing these twice a day. An additional tip, you can try doing this in the shower. The steam can kind of help loosen up anything that's stuck within the sinuses, and then the acupressure can kind of help drain that out even further. So that's a great thing if you'd like to do that. And then lastly, as an additional nutritional tip, try limiting your consumption of dairy, fried, greasy foods, and simple sugars as well. All of these foods kind of lead to an increase in phlegm production and mucus production, which may make your symptoms of seasonal allergies worse. So try limiting those as much as possible. So I hope this has been helpful. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to answer those for you. But otherwise, I will see you all next time. Take care, everyone.